This fried yam and egg can serve as breakfast or lunch. It's simply delicious, so keep watching and let's do this. The first step is to peel and cut your yam into strips or any shape of your choice. Next is to sprinkle some salt and mix well to combine. To fry the yam, in a preheated oil I'll add in half onion for flavor. Add the yam and allow it to fry until done. Once that is done, I will transfer in a paper towel to dry the excess oil from the fried yam. I will continue the process until I am done. To make the egg in a pan, I will add olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Allow it to heat up. Next, I will add my chopped onions and fresh tomatoes, fresh Scotch bonnet pepper, and sardine. You can also add any proteins of your choice, or you can also skip it. I will add seasoning powder and give it a good stir. Next, I will add bell peppers. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to fry for a minute or two. Next, I will add eggs. I added a pinch of salt and whisk. At this time, I'm cooking on a medium to low heat. I will gently stir and allow it to cook until done. At this time we are done cooking. Very simple but yet delicious. It can serve as breakfast or lunch. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!